This program is rated PG. It contains themes and scenes which may not be suitable for very young audiences. Parental guidance is advised.
Hey guys, today is June 26, 2025 and it's our day 3 dito sa Hong Kong and nainit ko na yung aking breakfast. Nabili ko lang to sa ano yung pangalan? Kalimutan ko anong pangalan ng store, pero para siyang 7-Eleven. May binibenta rin silang mga yan. So nabili ko siya for 34 Hong Kong dollars, and then may kasama na siyang soy sauce and of course spoon and fork. So kailangan natin ng heavy breakfast today guys because mahabang lakaran ng ating gagawin for today. Andito yung good morning sa ating housemates na si Miss Kiana. Morning! Anong breakfast mo? Perfect! And before anything else, wait. Greet muna natin si Annalita ng happy birthday. Kasi birthday niya natin today guys. Siya ang tayo nalipat kami ng Disneyland. May nagbibihis? Wala guys, negative. Andun pa sa CRCO na. Wala na. Good morning, Sheng! Kamusta ang tulong mo?
Marlog sa ang burik.
Kain na tayo. Ito ang ating breakfast. Yan, gising na din si Christy. Good morning, housemate Christy. Diba, lahat ay nagising na. Time check, I think nasa 5 AM na guys. So ako kanina, early ako nagising, 4 AM ang gising ko. Let's go. Let's eat na guys, para makapag-toothbrush na tayo. Tapos na rin akong maligo. Kaya kakain na tayo bago mag-toothbrush. Tapos, get ready with me. So, sobrang pagod ko kahapon sa nilakad namin sa Macau. Hindi na ako nakapag-outro sa aking day 2 na vlog. So, wait lang guys. Gagawa na ako ng outro.
A few moments later.
I'll just say this bao noodles. Yakap may pedasos ko may.
No, tira pa.
Dali pa.
May dalawang bao mo?
Isa grande?
Si.
Perfect. Crispy.
Luto na guys.
Sarap ng potato. Alright, ready na ang lahat for Disney. O, diba? Prepared. Where's your ears?
Kinuha pa ni Donald. Hiram niya pa.
Si Karen. Bakit hindi mo pa ginamit ang tenga mo, te?
Ayaw niya pa. Gusto niya sa Disney niya na gano'n.
Diba? Hindi sila prepared. Ang aming Ivana Alawi ay andoon pa guys. Hindi pa lumalabas si Miss Ivana.
Gamitin na pala yung ears.
Yes.
Cats.
And peaches. Diba? Parang hindi siya Disney. Parang ano, Enchanted.
Si Mama.
Itong ating ears for today. Punta na tayo ng Disneyland. And guys, mind you, today is the birthday of the reason kung bakit talaga tayo nag-Disneyland. Na namatay ang kanyang kuko sa paa. Happy birthday, Ons!
Kamsahamnida.
Ilang taon ka na?
Age, basta 13.
At dahil birthday niya guys, marami na din siyang titles.
Grand Lisboa.
Miss Grand Lisboa. Miss The Unexpected.
The White
And she believes in the saying, Jesus takes the risk. And because Jesus takes the risk, ang galing mo naman. Ang galing mo naman, yan kita sa Facebook.
Diba, nakaraos akong iikot yung
Guys, kahit namatay yung kuko niya sa paa, hindi niya ininda yun. Kahit masakit.
This is the cold
Ano siya ngayon, guys? Oh,
cause of aging.
kakamping, angat buhay. Okay. Dito na kami sa loob ng Jordan Station and papunta kami ng Station Liking. Time check, it's ano na guys, Oreshen. It's 6:33 AM. Inaantay na lang namin dumating yung train. And guys, mind you, maulan today. Pero sana mamayang 8 or 9, sana tumigil na yung ulan. Pupunta na talaga kami sa school ni Zane. Kasi si Zane ang exchange student mula Bolong Elementary School.
Din exchange teacher.
So wala pa masyadong tao dito sa station, kaya goods lang.
Sunny Bays Interchange Station for the Disneyland Resort Line. Doors will open on the left.
Ay, hindi pa to yung Mickey Mouse?
Ito na.
Wala man ang logo ng Mickey Mouse. Ay, ito na.
So, nagganon pa siya.
Yaabla ba ko ni ko, please mind the gap.
May naman mind.
Okay lang, Sebesh. Hindi talaga mawala ang epic sa atin. Hindi ako nakita ko kasi paano siya natin.
Sama mo o kamay lang? Sama. Mataas sila.
So nag-round trip kami dito sa line, puntang Disneyland. Kasi para makapag-pictorial kami. And nagawa naman namin guys. Ngayon, pabalik na kami ng Disneyland para bumaba. And magpipicture-picture na tayo sa To the Moon. Enchanted Kingdom. Magpipicture na tayo sa Ark ng Disneyland where the magic happens. Wow, we're here! Eee! Totoo na to! O di ba nagtakbuhan na ang mga tao? Kasi mauuna sila sa Ark. Dito na tayo dumaan. Ay, dito na lang sa stairs para mas mabilis guys. Kailangan nating mauna. Kailangan natin mag-sacrifice para mas mauna tayo sa kanila. Let's go! Okay guys, finally we're here! Oh my gosh! Ito na yun! The moment we have been waiting for! Welcome to Disneyland!
Eto,
Aki ba ha?
oo.
Arumayo?
Hindi, akauned to ganante aledo sita.
Dito?
Oo, move ka yung apat sa nakaupo.
Harap?
Oo, compress kayo apat. Hindi harap, doon lang. Compress lang.
Closer.
Okay.
Aki to best? Alam, sige, go. Ketanti.
Wait lang, mamaya sa video, anong sabihin? Welcome to Disneyland, o Hong Kong Disneyland. Picture muna tayo. Ready, one,
Kaya sa
Aray, mira na.
Aray! Ang bilis, may tao.
Hello, pag-video craple. Wait lang.
0.5.
Aray.
Okay guys, ready? Welcome to Hong Kong Disneyland.
Mag-queue ka, besh. Mag-queue ka, besh.
Tapos next, after nun, happy birthday, Ona. Sige, ibang, sige na. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Welcome to Hong Kong Disneyland!
Okay, happy birthday, Ona. 1, 2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Ona!
Okay, so nagsushoot lang kami ngayon ng content for TikTok. And tapos na rin kaming mag-group picture. In a while, pupunta na din kami sa loob since meron kaming early pass. So makakapasok kami 1 hour early before the official opening time. Exciting! The birthday girl is in blue and pink.
Hi!
Mag-ano na kayo?
We're in!
Ay, meron ako.
Download ka ng map.
Yung team natin wala. Wala pa rin. Ay, mga inagado ata sila dyan this time.
Siguro. Mga dancers ata yan. Yan, nandito na tayo sa loob guys. Time check, it's 9:05 na and nakapasok na kami kasi bumili kami ng early park pass. Yan, present lang namin yung QR doon sa harap. Then ngayon, andito na kami sa queuing para makapasok na sa loob ng park. We're 1 hour early than the usual open time. Dalawa lang kami sa Hello.
For how many people?
One.
Just one. Okay. We need to take photo here. Please look at the camera
Okay.
first. Come a little bit closer. Thank you.
Thank you. Yay! Picture muna tayo dito, guys. Ito yung main street. Ito naman yung entrance. Yeah. Medyo nagantay pa kami doon sa pinaka main entrance niya kasi umulan pa. So tumila na yung ulan and mainit na ngayon. Ano? Tayo, wait lang. Sabay na tayo. Pupunta kami ni Ona sa Disneyland City Hall para kunin yung birthday badge. Let's go, guys. So, yung City Hall, guys, pagpapasok na kayo sa loob talaga ng park, nasa may entrance lang talaga siya. Ito na.
Uy, si Shinny nawawala. Baka pwede sa'yo.
Huwag tayo magsabay. Sige, una ka na. We got it!
Ako di na, ako i-vlog mo.
Yung birthday ko is April 29 pero nakuha ko ang aking badge. Si Ona naman ngayon talaga ang birthday niya, guys.
Thank you
June
guys
26.
for the moral support of my birthday trip. Let's go!
Oh my God, nandito na yung castle.
Actual Momentus later.
Oo. So mamayang gabi, guys, 8:30 magsa-start ang Momentus. Oh my gosh. Pretty. Tada! Closer look.
Wala pa man kakasarin.
Dito na kami. Pupunta kami guys sa World of Frozen. Cinderella Carousel.
Welcome to World of Frozen!
Andito na tayo sa Arendelle. Ah. Dito na tayo guys sa loob ng Frozen. Ang dilim! Ang lamig! Ayan. Start na guys! Oh my gosh!
What's the claim ng 360 mo?
Tagilid,
Shit, pero hindi tayo mabasa.
Hindi.
Basa sa basa.
Hindi niya na ako makita.
Basa ang kwan. Ang gilid.
Madilim.
Wala basa.
Wow! Olaf!
Uy,
Hello!
Uy, may nagre-reaction sana sa harap. Hindi klaro.
Na ang 360 mo sana maganda.
Ay, wala. What's the claim? Wala.
Huwag mo lang masyadong habaan.
Diba pag
Ala, ang cute!
Very much today, Anna saved her sister with an unselfish act of true love. And God knows it.
Hello guys!
Indeed.
Hello! Hi! Oh my God! never bothered me anyway.
Fake now, fake now.
Nagtago siya. Oh my God, pababa na!
Oh my God,
No! Ay! Yan picture dahil kami na! Naday na yung kay Aleka na picture. Uy, guys, mamaya yung screen picturean nyo. Yung screen ng picture. Oo, okay. Hindi mo tayo magkuha ng copy.
dito o, daan na. Ano mo na lang? Matito sila. Dalan free sa isa.
Happy Snapper? Exactly!
Grabe, ang galing naman.
Just let me stay.
Hello!
Oh, the sky will be blue, and you guys will be there too. When I finally do what frozen things do in summer. Da-da, da-da.
Galaw din talaga ang mata.
Ba-ba-ba-ba-boom.
Hello!
Oh, they're both so intense. Put them together and just makes sense.
Olo, di mi ka. Ano na pina? Pwede ulitin? Oo, anli to. Olo, ito seryo yung pwede ulitin?
One more, please.
做好，直至船只安稳的靠岸。记得带走你们的隨身物
May
品，
ako naisuot ulit ang
請
ano ko
從左
ang
邊離開。謝謝。
請繼續坐好，直至船隻完全停定為止。請帶埋你哋嘅隨身物品，喺左邊離開。
Hanapin nyo na lang ang best face. Nakababa na kami. Ang ganda ng show sa Frozen. Nakakatuwa kasi gumagalaw talaga yung mata, yung bibig. As in, on talaga. Kung anong rhythm, yun din yung galaw ng bibig nila. Kung anong lyrics, yun din ang galaw ng bibig nila, guys. Ang ganda. So, andito tayo ngayon sa souvenir shop ng Frozen. Sliding sleigh. Dito na tayo? Andito tayo sa The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. Yan. Meron siyang storybook. Kaya dito na kami, nakaupo na kami dito sa The Many Adventures of Winnie the Pooh. Sila na, andun sila sa harap, nauna sila kaysa sa amin. Hi! Hi!
If you ask me, he's never gonna reach that tree. I'm in the mood for food.
Wow. Stale honey. Stale honey.
Hello, amazing.
Best, pati ikaw, Jem, tayo natin.
Ala, amazing. Wow.
Lagi po.
You'll find that they love it because they have so long to
Nandun yung kamera. Nandun yung
Welcome right in the middle of a cloudburst. It got nothing.
Ayan na naman.
First the wind, and now this.
Hello!
Goodness gracious. Oh, yes, we'll save him, Piglet.
At last, the rain went away, and everyone gathered together to say,
It was a nice experience, guys. Nag-ano kami, nag-glow in the dark. In fairness, kaming lahat nagulat kasi
pati ngipin.
bigla kaming umilaw lahat, guys. Go. Okay. Hello. You're so pretty. Can you say hi to my vlog?
So sweet. Hi, you.
Hello.
Nice to see you.
Oh my gosh.
My gosh, what a nice gadget. Or maybe a gizmo or a thingamabob, huh? Hello. Excuse me, come on over this way. Oh my god. Where are you coming from?
Philippines.
Philippines?
Yes.
I've heard of that kingdom before. Wow, what a swim. Is it your first time here?
Yes.
That's so exciting. Oh my gosh, how do you like it so far? It's so amazing. So amazing. It is. I love coming here. Scuttle knows more about the human world than I do. Have you seen Scuttle today?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, you'll have to keep an ear out for him. He's really loud.
Okay.
He squawks a lot. You know what Scuttle sounds like, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you do a Scuttle impression? Wah! 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 Very good. Anyone else? Scuttle.
Go. Lakasan nyo lang.
Very nice. Sebastian, anyone?
Ariel, you've got to keep your head under the water.
No? What about Flounder? Okay, ready?
Ooh.
Pretty good, right? I know, I bet you thought it was him. Do you want to take a picture all together? Yes!
Sila, paano? 2, 3. No. Okay, sorry. Oh my gosh! Guys, si Tatiana! Sayang hindi ko nadala yung notebook ko. Papirmahan ko sana sila.
You're so beautiful!
Hello!
I promise I won't turn into a frog. It's so good to see you.
Hello! We're from the Philippines!
Oh, that's the bee's knees. I'm from New Orleans. Y'all gotta come there next.
Yeah!
What do you think? Jazz music, good food?
Yeah!
And a swinging good time?
Yeah!
Oh, that's wonderful, sweet friend. Y'all all, of course, have to try my beignets. You ever tried beignet before?
Not yet, but I want to try yours.
You must. Like a donut with lots of powdered sugar. You'll just love it. I know. It's so yummy. Oh, yummy. It's so fun. Do you want to hop in this class? Oh, is this wonderful?
Can you say hi to my vlog?
Wait.
Hi!
Look at here, please. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Smile.
The birthday girl with Tatiana.
Birthday.
Grabe na guys ang pag-fangirling namin kanina sa mga princess. Nung nakita namin si Ariel, nung wala na, naghiyawan na lahat, Day.
Naging lalaki siya.
Nagulat si Ariel, Day. Lumingon na lang talaga siya. Wow.
Ay, thank you, Samantha!
Dito na kami ngayon sa It's a Small World.
Welcome to Small World! Shot lang tayo lang.
Yung City Hall natin sa Zamboanga.
Di man, guro yung kahilo no. Ala, bueno lang.
Nagbonamin ka?
Sa Mahila to?
Ay, hindi. May mga rides kasi na parang ano. Hindi kaya ko yun yung frozen na pinayakan ko. So, our third ride is It's a Small World. Huwag lang play na bouncy ride. Gusto ko ng bump car.
So this for family game night. Is this your family?
Yeah. Oh, perfect. Yeah, can I ask something for my niece?
Would you like to walk with me?
Yeah, sure.
Friends? My goodness, we're gonna need lots of birthday cakes.
Oh guys, the snow glows white on the mountain tonight. Not a footprint.
Well, there are many footprints at the moment. Snow geese are all over the North Carolina. Perhaps you'd like to come visit. Sure. Practicing. We're trying some ice skating under Olaf's teeth. And he's getting quite good, actually. But luckily, there's lots of space up there. Hello, everyone. Happy summer snow day.
I thought Olaf might be out enjoying the sun.
Guys, nagpa-fangirling na naman kami.
Olaf, where are you?
You found some snow geese. Have you named them already? You have? What have you named your snow geese? It's very nice to see you all. Happy birthday. We're gonna need lots of birthday cake.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Well, maybe Bruni can light your birthday candles too.
Yeah.
But this is your family. Do you like to play games together?
Yes. Yeah, sure.
Yes. What are your favorite games you like to play?
Board games and
Board games? Snakes and Ladders is one of Olaf's favorites. He's quite got the hang of it yet. Hello, friends.
Yung alam mo yung mag-ano game?
Baka dito ang
Baka bibigyan ako ng chocolate nito, be. Birthday ko pa.
Very soon, I'm out to work on the workshop. Snowkies haven't gotten here yet. The most wonderful summer snow day. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much.
Your family's the best kind of birthday.
Bye, Elsa! Yeah, see, we're good.
Of course. Well, she's visiting the kingdom right now, but I'm sure she'd love to say hello.
Thank you! Bye, Elsa!
Oh, dari na kay kaon na taday.
Onti yung po dati?
Oo.
Kung ano yung video po ha?
Okay. Go.
Para sa imuhan ni Ting, $15 ha?
Dali ah.
Onti.
Okay guys, so kukuha tayo ngayon ng magical coin press dito sa machine na to. And then ang pwede nating pagpilian is si Anna, si Elsa, and si Olaf. So syempre ang pipiliin ko ay si Elsa. Okay. So gagawin natin, itatap lang natin yung octopus card. Ayan. And then, pili na tayo ng coin. Here! Tada! Dito tayo guys sa Mickey's PhilharMagic. 11 AM yung ano niya guys. Opening. Nasasad ako kasi kanina nakita namin si Elsa. So sobrang excited ko. Tumakbo ako hanggang sa dulo ng naging parang lakad namin ni Elsa. Hindi ko pala siya na-record. Na-record siya nung ano na, tapos na. Kaloka talaga sis. We got the goods. Oh, di ba? Oh. 3D siya. Oh, di ba? Hey, Rena, tanggalin muna natin, guys. Hey, we're going in. Let's go na, guys. So, bawal yung cameras na may flash. I-off ang phones or i-silent mode nyo na lang. And then, bawal yung pagers. Dapat i-off din para hindi ma-distract yung show. We're going in.
Now that you're here, go ahead and pick a row you want to sit in and keep stepping till you're all
Sige, gitna, besh.
That's right, buddy. Keep it moving. Thanks.
Sige pa.
Okay na to. Sorry.
Go.
Are you all done up there?
Bukan ko nakuha ba?
Wonder where he went. Sorry, little feller.
Makikita tayong hindi nila makikita.
Almost ready.
Nag-prepare siya.
How'd that get unplugged? We'll just plug it back in. Yup, that's better.
现在，请大家戴上剧场眼镜。
All right, everybody. Now put on your special Opry glasses.
大家可以戴上劇院眼鏡啦。而家有請指揮家米奇老鼠同埋奇幻管弦樂團為我哋帶嚟精彩嘅表演。米奇，唐老鴨去咗邊度啊？我哋唔見咗啊！但係我哋要開始表演啦。
Showtime! Well, I gotta open the curtains. Goofy, we're not ready. What's that? I can't hear you, Mickey. Donald, wake up! It's showtime! Don't forget the orchestra. And don't touch my hat.
Bonjour! It is with deepest pride and greatest pleasure that we welcome you tonight. And now, the dining room proudly presents your dinner. Be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test. Tie your napkin round your neck, sherry, and we provide the rest. Soup du jour, hot hors d'oeuvre. Why, we only live to serve. Try the gray stuff, it's delicious. Don't believe me? Ask the dishes.
Look at this stuff, isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? I've got gadgets and gizmos aplenty. I've got who's-its and what's-its galore. You want thingamabobs? I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I wanna be where the people wanna see them dancing, walking around on those.
What's the world?
Oh, feet. When's it my turn? Would I love to explore that shore of the world? What shall you see? Someday I'll be part of you.
Wow, very wide.
I'm gonna be the main of it, like the king was before. I'm brushing up, I'm looking down, I'm working on my roar.
Thus far, rather uninspiring theme.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Everybody look left, everybody look right. Everywhere you look, I'm sitting in the spotlight.
Not yet.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. Just can't wait to be king. Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
Coke.
What color is the sky? I'm your amor, I'm your amor. You tell me that it's red, I'm your amor, I'm your amor. Where should I put my shoes? I'm your amor, I'm your amor. You say, look at my head, I'm your amor, I'm your amor. Make me go loco, movidito loco. The way you keep me guessing, I'm nodding and I'm guessing. No counting doesn't. That I'm only un poco loco.
That you make me, it is just un poco crazy, in the sense that you're not thinking.
The liberties you're taking leaves my cabeza shaking. You're just un poco loco.
Here we go. There's a smile in your heart. There's no better time to start.
Aladdin.
I can show you the world, take you wonder by wonder, over, sideways, and under, on a magic carpet ride, a whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. No one to tell us no, where to go, or say we're only dreaming. A whole new world, that's where we'll be. A thrilling chase, a wondrous place for you and me.
Aladdin, ay Aladdin. Tama, Aladdin.
Ano, ang galing! Pag-game may tudong ko.
Hy vọng你哋中意今次米奇幻想曲嘅演出啦！而家請你哋喺右邊嘅出口離開，再見啦！
Done! Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa show, guys. Sinapipisyo ko ang glasses ko para sa inyo. So much better na din yung binidyoan ko na lang para mas ma-relieve ko yung moments niya in 3D. Diba? It was a nice experience. May pabasa effect din siya. Guys, si Jasmine!
Si Jasmine, si ano? Ano? Ano yun ito?
Ah, okay. Hello!
Saan tayo ito? Lagay mo na.
Ay, hanap muna tayo. Dito na?
Thank you.
Hello.
What would you like to order? I'm taking the food order. You take your meal and then you can go to the cashier to pay. This one?
Yes.
Premium mixed grill.
Yes.
And drink is included in the combo. What would you like?
Okay.
Drinks, sir.
Drinks is original Coke.
Okay. Anything else?
That's all.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
So dito sila nagpe-prepare ng food. I mean dito din kukunin yung mga food. So, doon ang line, guys. Here. Naantay na lang natin, guys, ma-serve sa atin yung ating food. Sabi ang usok. Andito sa akin. Alin sa akin?
Hello!
Wala, isa-isa pa lang. Pila na naman ulit.
Hello! Coke and number 7. Thank you.
Dito na ang ating food, guys. So, ito is $200 and then $18. So, for a total of... Char lang. Huwag na natin i-convert. Yan ang ating kakainin today. More on protein tayo. Let's eat!
Natin yun na lang.
Hindi man niya magamit kasi hindi man nila alam pin mo.
Wala na dyan nahanap din na.
Saan mo nga nahanap?
Iyak muna.
Kaya pala hindi ka na umiiyak. Saan nakalagay?
Bakit gani? Nakakain na sila yung mga kasama nyo?
Andiyan na sila, nakapila.
Best ka rin kung chicken. Diba? Thank you. Tama. Walang pangbalan na mataas yung ano natin kasi.
Pasok na tayo ng It's a Small World.
Kung alertin ko na.
Kaya nga, talaga. Ay!
So, ano masasabi mo, On? Is it a small world after all?
Yeah.
Today?
Today is
like today?
Where the magic begins. Sa anong birthday na to? Sobra.
Ang gastos ng birthday mo, te.
Brought you by Disneyland.
Hello! Hala! So bakit nahuli na naman kayo? Bakit nahuli kayo?
Pagka kami maglakad, ganyan na.
One and two.
Yeah.
Okay.
One and two lang daw. I want and two lang.
Yay! We're here na sa queue, guys. Dito na! Tada! Ano lang siya? Chill ride.
At least, naka-small world. At least, naka-small world. Small world na to, so whatever it takes.
Jesus, take the risk, guys.
Oh, yeah, whatever it takes.
Say hi! Yan na!
At least hindi tayo naglalakad.
Yung close pa?
Yung binigyan tayo ng ticket.
For your safety, please remain seated throughout the voyage, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. And please watch
Hala, ang cute!
为了您的安全，请您在整个航程中在座位上坐好，请将
But it's a small world after all.
yung swimming pool nila.
Nag-twerk siya ning uning kita ba ne? Wow! Welcome to Africa! Loka.
Hindi kaya synchronize.
Walang Philippines. Ay, nandito pala. Ah, Philippines.
pa mga bata.
Parang Squid Game man. Anytime, where, it's a small world after all.
Best, ang sina yung tabay na.
Mande.
Every last step.
Thailand.
Thailand ba yun?
Hi. Sana paalam. We're done. Tapos na.
Please remain seated until your boat comes to a complete stop at the dock and you are asked to disembark. Thank you. 船在还未完全停稳前，请大家在座位上坐好，请等候我们的指示才可以离开。谢谢。喺船站未完全停定之前，請你保持座位。
Oops. Thank you. Toy Story. Tinkertown.
Howdy, partners.
Hello,
you must
Woody.
be new to these parts. All the toys are ready to play. Slinky, RC, Rex, Sarge, and the toy soldiers. So come on and have some fun.
Doon ang ano. One line only. Afif.
Hello, can you hear me out there from back in the projection room?
Yeah.
Welcome to Mystic Manor. 歡迎大家嚟到迷你大宅 home to a world-class collection of art, antiquities, and my personal residence. I am Lord Henry Mystic. The young fellow at my side is Albert, my traveling companion, confidant, and rather mischievous partner. Yes, Albert, that's you. Now run along. Well, for several years now, Albert and I have traveled the world in search of rare and precious artifacts for you to enjoy as you tour our home in Mystic Manor. These are just a few of our treasures. And here's our latest acquisition, an ancient music box. Legend has it that this charming music box has the power to bring inanimate objects to life with the touch of its enchanting music. Superstition and nonsense. Oh my. Well, we shall see when we open it, shan't we? Oh, well. Who's a little fellow can't keep his hands off their music box? Yes, like that box, don't you? We'll examine it later. No, sure. Now, what was I saying? Oh, yes. Welcome, one and all, to Mystic Manor. I better go find the little beggar. He's always up to something.
Okay guys, pinakasakay na kami dito sa Mystic Manor. Abot ulit! Oh my gosh, wait lang, wait lang!
Hello there.
Hello.
I was just looking for... Oh, there's the music box I told you about. I must find my little friend. Well, I do hope you enjoyed your visit to Mystic Manor.
Akala ko may ano talaga na.
Yay! Done!
Please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit the carriage to your left. Thank you.
Guys, nandito si Chip and Dale. Grizzly Gulch. Tingnan nyo. Ay! Yun pala. Wag na.
Fifteen minutes later.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Eto na, Day! Tapos na! Ang bilis naman! Wala pa, Day! Basta Pinoy ba mainit? Bis lang dito.
Go, go, go. May hawak, guys.
Dali, dali, dali. Dapat sa medyo dali, dali, dali. Doon, 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 doon. Sa taas, taas. Taas, sa taas.
Taas daw, taas.
Go, 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 go. Basta middle, guys. Middle. Gigi, i-occupy nyo agad yung blank space. Go, 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 go.
Saan?
Dito, dito na. Up. Dito na. Alright, time check. It's 2:31 na ng hapon, guys. And inaantay na lang namin na magsimula ang yung Lion King na show. Right now, puno na yung venue or yung hall kung saan gaganapin yung show. Inaantay na lang talaga namin na mag-start. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. Dito ang kinuha namin na seats kay medyo ano siya. Doon kasi manggagaling yung mga performers. Tapos dito kami pumasok kanina.
Dito manggagaling ang tunay na Lion.
Yes, pero ang asawa ni Mufasa ay dito.
He found Scar had destroyed his kingdom to
one by one. After your food, please sit next to me. Then I can protect you. Oh, you protect me. Come on, get the middle bench. You can also be seated. Sit down. Okay, middle bench will get wet. If you sit in the middle, then you will become a VIP. Come on, don't be shy. Thank you, ladies. Thank you. Now you're my priority. You can protect me. Okay, your children turn around, turn around, turn around. Which I love it, but guys, I go travel with Jenny, so nobody at home right now. We can't go there. In our journey, you will see a lot of animals, but some of them not that naughty, huh? Going to Now you know worry on your skin power protect you, huh? Oh wow, look, it's crocodile. Let me tell you something. Crocodile loves two things. One is your phone, another is your kids. So remain seated to protect yourself. Hey, and look, this is the cave of the scientist. Let me introduce to you my friend, Dr. Shag. He have a project. Hey, what's wrong? Oh, pretended to be the gorilla. And the gorilla is hurting again. Amazing animals here. What kind of animal you see? Elephant, zebra, and giraffe. Exactly. Well, you guys know a lot. So let me ask you another question. Look at that. Do you know what's the difference between male zebra and female zebra? No. Haha. Let me tell you. The male zebra is the black with the white stripe, but the female one is the white with the black stripe. Yeah, it's easy, right? Yeah. Next time you can tell your friends. Maybe they don't know. Hey, and we're in the locals' house now. Everyone, let's say hello to them. They're my friends. Maybe they have a surprise for us. Hi. Hello, hello. Everybody, let's say hello. Ayo, but no one's here. Ayo. Oh my God! Oh no! Oh, guys, are you okay? Yeah. Yes, really? Friend at the back, are you alright? Yes. Oh, thank you, thank you.
photo. Oh, hi, Radiolution.
Naday, be ready all that time kaya baka mag-picture na naman. Oh. Ano yun?
Blue 6 standing by. Man, Blue 2第一，南中隊4號報道，南中隊6號準備就緒。南中隊7號準備就緒。
全部戰機聽指令進入超空間。睇準。全部戰機戒備。係陷阱，全部戰機散開。咪嘅啦。Ito na naman guys, nag-glow na naman ako. Let's go!
Ang sakit daw lalamunan ko.
Dito na ang ating dinner for today. Beef teriyaki with scrambled egg and then regular coke. Tapos yung kay Aileen is parang udon na seafood. Sharing lang kami guys para ma-try namin yung each dish. Diba? Life hacks.
各位晚上好，很快我们将会为大家隆重呈现夜间城堡会议迪士尼星梦光影之旅。
Hi! Mga Disney princess! Kapay sa Disney princess!
Thank you, Hong Kong Disneyland!
We made it, guys! Tapos na ang Hong Kong Disneyland Adventure. Grabe, pawis na pawis ako. Buti na lang talaga supportive yung isang worker ng Disneyland dito. Kasi kanina doon, although may ilaw naman na kami, inilawan niya pa din kami. Kaya thank you Lord, kahit na umulan 30 minutes before nag-start ang Momentus, naging maganda ang weather nung nag-start na. Thank you so much! Guys, totoo talaga yung magic ng Momentus. Hindi mo ma-feel na iiyak ka na. Bigla na lang tutulo ang luha mo.
It's magical. Sobra. Super magical. Kaya sa mga viewer ni Nolly, suggestion ko talaga na you should visit Hong Kong talaga.
Ito na yung sign na i-book nyo na yung ticket nyo na yan.
Ito na yung sign na yung nagdadalawang isip pa kayo, i-book nyo na yan. Check out nyo na, best.
Ang tip namin sa inyo, install.
Pay later.
Basta pay on time lang para walang interest, okay?
Pay later na.
Guys, kung nasa Disneyland talaga kayo, sulitin nyo talaga yung isang araw.
Kasi mahal din binayad mo dun,
diba?
7K.
Kami,
nagarin mo na.
Na ROI na nga, diba?
ROI talaga, as in super duper ROI, mga 10 times.
But it's worth it.
Guys, and mind you, yung mga food nila, pwede na kayo mag-sharing. Legit.
Advice lang. Sa mga 2 subo, 3 subo, mag-happy meal na lang talaga kay pang bata. Kasi parang okay pa siya kaysa doon sa adult. Suggestion lang. Kasi makabusog na siya. Yeah.
So, okay ngayon. Pauwi na kami. Grabe ang pawis. Nagpalit na nga ako ng damit. Kita niyo ba yung pawis ko na? Para akong naulanan.
Pero okay naman.
Punta na kami sa MTR, guys, para bumalik na sa Airbnb. Yes, kailan kaya ulit? Baka sa ibang ibang location ng Disneyland ang puntahan natin.
Or Shanghai? Hi! Next stop, Shanghai? Uy!
Tignan natin. Abangan! Andito naman natin ibang group. Kamusta experience?
Super worth it, guys. I'm so happy.
Hala! Bumili siya ng Stitch.
Yeah, remember us baka every penny, lahat
every
ng
payment.
Payment. Pero payment. Every payment. Dahil maski man, kami, barikus. Okay na, okay lang. Ano pinaka-the best experience? Dalawang beses susuka.
Sino?
Si Sheng.
Ha?
Susuka. Pero di susuka sa alak, pero susuka at susuko sa rides ng Galaxy. Tsaka tikap niya.
Ano ikaw yung...
Mute.
And we're home! My God, ang haba-haba ng aming biyahe. Guys, galing sa Disneyland. I can really say that this experience is really one for the books. And if this experience, isa sa mga kasama sa inyong mga bucket list, my God, guys, you should really make it happen, guys. Sobrang worth it pag nandoon na kayo sa Disneyland. Kung hindi man ngayon, guys, but soon, i-manifest natin na kayo rin ang maka-experience na na-experience namin this year. So, I think dito ko na i-end ang ating vlog for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching our previous episodes. Ito nga ating bagong travel vlog for 2025. Maraming salamat, guys. So, i-close ko na ang ating vlog for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo whenever I upload new videos. Don't forget to like and share this video to your friends kung nagustuhan ninyo, and comment below kung may mga gusto pa kayong makita or ipagawa sa akin. Thank you so much for watching today's video and hope to see you guys next time. Bye!